In Congo, sought-after lumber like teak, ebony, wenge, they're all abundant here. Local craftsmen all over this country make incredible works of art out of them using mostly just hand tools every single day. But when I first showed up, I had some trouble getting my hands on any. Between bewilderment that a woman was asking to a pretty significant language barrier at the get-go, it was slow moving, until I learned a little French and met this guy. His name is Pichu. Pichu and I have a pretty good thing going. He supplies all my lumber, and I give him a pretty good price for it. And it's a price that still beats out the sticker shock you'd see pretty much anywhere else in the world, so I can't complain. And man oh man, does he deliver. Here we call this lumber bois de rouge, but I'm pretty sure the European name is either Iroko or Afromosia, aka teak. But let me know what you think. Once I sorted out how to get lumber, I needed somewhere to store it. So I reworked 2 shipping containers all of our stuff came in and made it my makeshift drying rack. But honestly, with the equatorial heat, it somewhat acts as a solar kiln too. So after a proper inspection, and the placing of spacers, I stack my lumber here. I've also run an extension cord from an inverter to the rear vents to power a small box fan. This allows me to add airflow on a regular basis and to not rely on an intermittent cross breeze. Now, onto a tour of the actual, not so tiny anymore, shop. I have a couple of custom-built components that are all mobile and some even interlock. If you want to see exactly how I put these units together while I was living in the States, I put a link to the DIY videos I made in the top right corner. I made everything mobile so I can configure the components different ways to maximize my tiny shop space. I have a jet ventilator to help deal with airborne dust, and I use an inverter and an extension cord to power all of my 120-volt power tools on this 240-volt grid. This lovely, supposed to be a guest room closet, is a great storage space for smaller bolts, bits, clamps, etc. I also have a pretty cool on-site workspace that I've mentioned in a few of my previous videos, and a few mini menuisettes, or woodworkers, that help me tackle projects. But as a recap, this is Matumaini, an all-girls home here in the Congo. Together we have fixed broken furniture, built raised gardens to protect their crops from flood, and made many other updates to their home. These girls are so stinking smart and funny and ambitious and have such an appetite to learn, and it's just awesome to see them take pride in their work and their home. If you're interested in learning more about these awesome ladies or the home's incredible local founder or the work that we do there, I've started a nonprofit devoted to empowering their vision for their home and their community. I'll add a link to our website in the description below, and I encourage you to take a look. They've got a pretty incredible story. Packing up and moving my shop to the Congo certainly wasn't the path of least resistance, but between the friends that I've made and the things that I've learned and the lumber I've got drying, I can't say that right now I'd have it any other way.